Picture an elephant, majestic, powerful, and an embodiment of strength. Now imagine it jumping. Hard to imagine, right? That's because elephants are the only mammals that can't jump. Yes, you heard that right. Despite their immense size and strength, these gentle giants are grounded. Their anatomical structure is the game changer. The elephant's legs are designed to carry weight, not to lift it off the ground in a jump. So while a tiny mouse can leap into the air, an elephant, no matter how hard it tries, stays earthbound. A fascinating fact, isn't it? Remember, not all power comes with the ability to leap, but that doesn't make it any less impressive. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the animal kingdom.